Hello everyone, welcome to Watch It Now, where every second matters. Today, we're going back in time with a true digital classic, that is the Casio DBC-32-1ADF, aka the Casio Calculator Watch. A watch that's more than just a timepiece, it's a mini computer strapped to your wrist. So, let's unbox it. It comes with a vintage Casio box and it has a user manual. Now coming to the look and feel of the watch, the DBC-32 has an iconic 80s vibe. With a rectangular resin body, it has a keypad. This is not a minimalistic dress watch, but this is a retro utility machine. Coming to the body structure, it has a resin strap and a plastic body frame. So in the back side, it has a stainless steel case back and where the Casio logo and the product code is engraved. Also, it has a width of 37 mm, height of 43 mm, and it has a thickness around 11 mm. So, it weighs around 27 gram, so it will feel ultra light on the wrist. So, you can wear it anywhere and anytime. So, it might look chunky in photos, but in hand, it's very compact and feather light and super wearable. And coming to the buttons, it has 4 buttons. The 2 on the left side and 2 on the right side. The left upper side is adjust button and the second one is the mode button to change the modes, and the right side the upper one is for light and the bottom one is for reset. Now we'll check the time setting process of this Casio DB. So here I am in Indian Standard Time Zone and today's date is 1st July and the year is 2025. So current time is 5 p.m. 5 p.m. plus 6 minutes. So I'll set the time as per my current time zone. So to do that, you have to press the top left button, which is the adjust button, for 3 seconds. Then you can see a beep and your second hand will be start blinking. To set the seconds, you have to set it at 0. Just press the 0 button in the keypad. It will set to 0. Then with the bottom left button, we just have to navigate to the minutes and hours. So I'm going to hours and the current hour is 17. So 1 is already selected and I will set it at 7. And the minute is 17:07, which is currently set, and then I will navigate to the year. So year is 2025, so I'll just press use 2 and then 5. So year is also set and our current date is 7/1. So for that I have to press 0 and then 7 and then 0 and then 1. So our current time is set. So after setting it, I have to press this adjust button again and our time is set. You can see that Tuesday is already present, which is the day of today. So when you set the time accordingly, the date will be calculated. So that is how you set the time. Also, it has a feature of 24 hours and 12-hour format. So if you press this bottom right button, then it will show you the 12-hour format, and if you can see at the top left corner it has a P button which is indicating the PM, and if you want to change it to AM, then just you have to do just press and hold the adjust button and then it will start blinking and navigate through all the modules, and you can see that 05 and after and top of that the P is blinking, and if you wanted to set it in AM, then just click on this PM button and it will set it as AM. So that is how to set the watch. Now let's move on to the next feature, which is the data bank feature. So this calculator watch has a feature which allows to save 25 data in this watch. Let's go through it. To access this feature, you have to go to the Databank section by pressing this mode button. So this is the Databank section. If you press the mode button one time, it will go to the Databank section. So to save this and save the data, you have to press this top left button, which is the adjust button. After hearing the beep, you can see it has started blinking. So here you can set the alphabets by pressing this plus icon. So I'll set it as Casio. So this is my first letter. To set the next letter, you have to press the bottom right button and then it will go to the second space, and here you can write the next letter. It will be A, and we have to repeat the same process. Then again we have to press this button, and again we have to press this plus icon. So now it is showing as Casio. So go to then again you have to press this button at the right side, and then it will go to the number section. Here you can enter any number, like you can also give a space. So this is how Databank works. Then click on this adjust button to save it. Now it has saved. From the timekeeping mode, you have to press this mode button again, and you can see here it was showing F24 because we have already added one data. So from 25 it is now showing 24. Now if you have more than one data in your data bank, then you can go to the Databank section with this mode button, and then you can scroll through this right hand side button in the keypad. By pressing it, you can navigate to the next one, and by pressing this previous time button, you can navigate back to the last one. So that is how you can navigate through all of the data. And if you want to clear some data, then come into the particular data and then click on the adjust button, press and hold it. Then you will hear a beep, and after that just press this left button and the right button at the bottom together, and then it will show you the clear sign and your data is gone. So that's how you can delete the data. So this is all about the Databank features. Now let's talk about the calculator feature of this watch. To navigate to the calculator section, you have to press the left button, which is the mode button. This one, 1, 2, and after pressing the mode button twice, you will be in the calculator section. Now it supports basic calculation like addition, subtraction, division and multiplication. To do so, just like a basic operation, I'm just pressing with the 8 and I want to add with 78, and then the equals to button is this one, and then we'll get the result. So this is how the basic calculation works. You can reset it with this reset button, and then I'm showing one more. Now let's do the multiplication and it will show you the result. So this is a cool feature. You can do it in your Casio DB calculator watch. Let's move on to the next feature, which is the alarm. In this watch, you can actually set 5 different alarms. So how we can do that? Let me go back to the normal timekeeping mode, and from this section you have to press this mode button 3 times, 1, 2 and 3, and then you are in the alarm mode. So here you can see 1 is written here. So 1 means this is the first alarm. To navigate to the next alarms, you have to click on this plus icon. This will go to the 2, 3, 4 and 5 like this, and navigate back to the other alarms, previous alarms. You have to click on this button, this previous time button. It will navigate you back to the last alarms. So how to adjust the alarm? So when you are in alarm 1 mode, then you have to press this adjust button here, hold it for few seconds, and you can hear a beep and you can set the alarm. So I'll set it to 2050 to check the alarm. I'm setting it to 2051. Then the alarm is set. Now to set the next alarm, you have to go to the second one, and by the same process you can do it. Thus one more feature it have. So with pressing the mode button, you can navigate to the other sections, and here you can set a end date. Suppose you want a date in want the alarm in a particular date, then you can set it here. So currently I have set the alarm in July 2nd and the alarm time is 8:28 am. So in July 2nd 8:28 am the alarm will go off, and you can see that this is the alarm which I previously set. Now it is beeping. To stop it, you have to click this mode button and it will stop. And now the alarm is not set, you have to disable it by pressing the mode button. You should press this mode button. You can see that alarm 2 option is gone. Where we were in the alarm 2 option and we have pressed this mode button, so alarm 2 option is gone. And we had already set alarm 1. We have to disable it. Again we are in alarm 1, then just press this mode button and you can see the alarm 1 option will be gone. Just like this. So this is the basic alarm function which you can do in this calculator watch. Now let's talk about the next feature, which is the stopwatch feature. To navigate to the stopwatch section, you have to press the mode button, this one, 1, 2, 3 and 4 times. After pressing the mode button 4 times, you will be in the stopwatch section. To start it, you have to press this button and the stopwatch will be start. Now to stop it, we have to select this button, it will stop, and again pressing the adjust button, it will be starting again. So you can keep going like this, and to reset it you have to press the mode button, then you have to press the adjust button twice and it will reset. So that's how the stopwatch works. The next feature will be the dual time tracking. So go to the mode button, press it 2, 3, 4 and 5 times, then you can see the dual time is shown. You can set any time here by pressing on the adjust button, and then you can select any time as per your requirement, and then click on this adjust button. It will set the time, but this second hand it is synchronized with your normal timekeeping net. So that is the dual time feature for this watch. Now let's talk about the backlight option. So to turn on the light, you have to press this slide button which is on the right side top. If you press it, the light will glow, and we can change the time of the light here. So now it's currently set into 1.5 seconds. In the top right corner you can see there are few options. So one of them is showing 3 seconds, which is for the backlight. Currently it's not selected because I am setting it as a 1.5 second. To set it for 3 seconds, you have to go to the normal timekeeping mode, then press adjust and hold it. Now press the light icon. So here you can see the 3 second option in the top right corner. The 3 second checkbox is checked. So now the light is selected for 3 seconds. Now save it with pressing the adjust button, which is in the left side, the top one, and now press the light button and it will be there for 3 seconds. So this is the feature for backlight, and one more feature is there, it is auto light. So for auto light you have to press the light button for few seconds and the auto light option will be selected. So by selecting this auto light, if you tilt the watch like this, the backlight will be turned on automatically like this. So this is active for 6 hours only. After 6 hours it gets reset automatically. So this is all about the backlight feature. This is how it looks on the wrist. I bought it from Flipkart. It cost me around 1700 rupees. So under 2000 rupees, it's a value for money watch. If you like this video, then please do like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel, and as well as share this video to a watch lover. Thank you.